G'day, thanks for joining me, Total Scumbag RC. This video is a remake of the SAWYERS Valley AUS4 video I did a while ago. I was having trouble at the time with the Insta360 Studio software, which controls the gyro functions on my camera. It was all out of whack until recently it's been properly updated. So I've been sitting on this footage, so here's just a little bit of it before the rain hits. It's a pretty cool track layout. In the previous video, I didn't like how it featured it, so here we go again. Watch along if you like. Special treat at the end. These guys running here, it's just two, it's pretty quiet turnout. They're the 1.9-inch wheels solid axle class. AUS4 has 6 classes. They have the 1.9 solid axle, 1.9 IFS, and the 1.9 Ultra, which is the metal frame fanciness. And then they have the same classes essentially in the 2.2 tyre size. So, solid axle, IFS, and Ultra. Don't have any of the 2.2s here because I was running my own, but here you can see a couple of the 1.9 IFS. That refers to the front suspension. That wasn't my fault.
Palermo in first. The top drivers are Palermo in first place with an 8-lap 5:38 flat pace, followed by World's Dustiest Devil in second place with a 7-lap 5:43.3 pace, followed by Alderman in third place with a 5-lap 5:31.7 pace. World's Dustiest Devil in second.
We're heading out, Blue. Just make sure you're steering straight and it'll reverse. Yeah. If it's turned at all, it won't reverse. Servo's grounding it out. Back left. I thought it was loose. It's tight.
Alberto in third. Gobshite Palermo in first.
Go Dust Devil!
Palermo in first place with a 8-lap 5:31.2 pace, with a 7-lap 5:20.7 pace, followed by Alderman in third place with a 5-lap 6.5 pace. World's Dustiest Devil.
Is the race finished? The race finished?
World's Dustiest Devil in second. Gobshite. After 4 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are Gobshite Palermo in first place with a 8-lap 5:30.4 pace, followed by World's Dustiest Devil in second place with a 7-lap 5:21.2 pace, followed by Alberto in third place with a 5-lap 5:13.6 pace. World's Dustiest Devil in second, 10. Gobshite Palermo in first, 8. 7.
So the rain came down pretty hard, pretty heavy. Got wet, rain, all that shit. Should have waited on that. But it was all good. So yeah, the race meet pretty much rained out and finished off. But of course, take the Bronco for a spin on every AUS4 track. So it's coming up at the end here. Maybe back there. Yeah, it looks pretty wet now. Something like that. Is that a video you can send me? Yep. He's had enough. He needs a break.